high school do you plan on going to?
GHS.
Why do you want to go to GHS?
Because all my friends say it's a good school.
Why do you think GHS is better than Hoover?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. Oh, didn't see you there. Today, I'm going to show you guys what it means to be a Hoover Tornado. The three main things we're going to talk about here today is Ohana, Esslers, and sports. Esslers are a major key to success for Hoover students. We have self-directed lifelong learners, effective communicators, and responsible citizens. Wow. The main thing we're going to talk about today is self-directed lifelong learners. Self-directed lifelong learners. So about self-directed people, which are Hoover students, they have long-term goals and short-term goals, and they push hard every day to reach their goals. Like me, a Hoover student, I have one goal as well. My long-term goal is to be a major league gamer on the climb, phase up.
One of my short-term goals is to have a GPA of 3.5 or higher by the second semester. And one of my long-term goals is to graduate from medical school for my mom. I love you, Mom.
The dab.
My short-term goal is to get an A at the end of the semester for Madame Angers. My long-term goal is to graduate from college, Duke to be precise. Because science is dank.
Okay, so here at Hoover, we offer many different sports, including basketball,
What you say? Oh, that you only...
tennis, wrestling, football, and many more.
Andres Hernandez. What is Ohana?
Ohana is family, and here at Hoover, no one gets left behind. Just like these phones, you see they're all different. This one's black, this one's white, this one's from China. We don't care. We're all family here. Just like at Hoover, we all take care of each other. The teachers create a very healthy environment for the students, and I just feel whole and welcome at Hoover. You should too, if you're coming at Hoover. Any other questions, Guillermo?
No, that's all I needed to ask. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
What do you think about GHS after you watch this video?
GHS is trash.
What makes you want to go to Hoover?
It feels like an awesome school already.
What school do you plan on going to?
Hoover.
On tornadoes.
What it means to be a tornado is
Self-directed lifelong learners.
Ohana.
all the sports offered